in Compton today.
The Intuit food truck program was actually inspired by a conversation we had with Compton. Their culinary arts students were struggling to get access to a commercial-grade kitchen.
Intuit stepped in and provided the food truck, Hub City Foods. Students contributed to not only the naming of the food truck, but also the design.
Intuit came to our classrooms. We did a lot of activities about the food truck. Everyone got to choose a name if they wanted to. Everyone voted. Everyone's opinion mattered.
This program is now going to ultimately impact thousands of students all around the country.
My dream is to become a chef. It's just a dream I always had as a little kid, becoming a chef. I like seeing my mom cook, it inspires me a lot.
Today's high school students, we can't keep them interested with a pencil and paper and a book. We have to engage them in real world projects and activities.
If I can participate, it would be like the cashier or greeting people at the window.
Can I take your order?
I would just like to thank the amazing leadership at Compton for making this happen.
I'm hoping the food truck gives them so many different opportunities. They kind of find where they fit in and what they want to do next.